Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Sprinkles and Scribbles. Today we're going to be making some cinnamon roll bars. These cinnamon roll bars have all the gooey, buttery, cinnamony goodness of a cinnamon roll. We're going to start by making a gooey, buttery Blondie base, and then into that we're going to swirl in a cinnamon sugar mixture. And then once it's baked, we're going to top it all off with a tangy cream cheese glaze. So let's get right into it. So to a large bowl, you're going to start by adding some melted butter as well as a little bit of cooking oil. You can use either canola, vegetable, olive oil, or even coconut oil for this. Mix it until it's combined and then add in some white sugar as well as some brown sugar. Once the butters and the sugars are all combined, we're going to add in our eggs. Give it a good mix until the eggs are thoroughly combined with the rest of the batter, and then we can add in all our dry ingredients. Add in some flour, as well as salt and baking powder. And then using a spatula, just mix in all the dry ingredients until it's combined with the rest of the batter. Try not to overmix the batter at this point. Once you're done, set this mixture aside and we're going to start working on our cinnamon sugar swirl. For this, we're going to start with some melted butter, and then to that we're going to add some white sugar as well as some cinnamon powder. Mix the cinnamon sugar mixture until it's all combined, and then we're going to get ready to bake these cinnamon roll bars. Prepare an 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan with some melted butter or cooking oil and a piece of parchment paper that hangs over the edges. Start by adding the Blondie base to the pan. Make sure to smooth out the batter so that it gets to all the edges of the pan. Next, drop spoonfuls of the cinnamon sugar mixture on top of the Blondie batter. Using an offset spatula or a butter knife, swirl the cinnamon sugar batter into the Blondie batter. The pattern doesn't really matter for this recipe as the cinnamon sugar mixture will just get incorporated into the Blondie batter. Then, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. While we wait, we're going to make our cream cheese glaze. You'll need some softened cream cheese, some powdered sugar, as well as some vanilla and some milk. Start by adding some cream cheese to a bowl and then whip it until it's nice and fluffy. Next, add in the powdered sugar and then mix it until it's fully incorporated into the cream cheese. Next, add in some vanilla as well as the milk to thin out the glaze. Once you're happy with the consistency of the glaze, we can get ready to glaze these cinnamon roll bars. Once the cinnamon roll bars have been baked, you can let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes and then transfer them out of the pan so that they cool completely. Now you can use the cream cheese glaze to decorate these cinnamon roll bars, either using a squeeze bottle like I did, or you could even use a piping bag, or just drop them by the spoonfuls as much as you like. Once you finish glazing them, let them rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes until the glaze hardens a little bit. And then I recommend cutting them into either rectangles or triangles. These cinnamon roll bars are a pretty dense and rich dessert, and I guarantee you will love them with your next cup of coffee. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment below, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. See you next time.